Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make the juiciest and yummiest roasted goat shoulder using Ethiopian Berbere spices. This wholesome recipe has a spicy citrusy kick and is an absolute winner. I'll be using 2.8 kgs of organic goat shoulder for this recipe. You can see that it has a lot of fat and this will make the roasted shoulder very juicy. Now I'm going to make some deep cuts on the shoulder all over the goat shoulder so that the marinade goes deep inside the meat. You need to make the cuts on both sides and then season the meat with salt, lime juice, a good quantity of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of green chili paste. This is the Ethiopian Berbere Spice blend that I'll be using. Let's sprinkle half of it over one side of the shoulder. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter and then massage everything very well into the meat. Make sure it goes deep in the cuts. Turn the shoulder over and repeat the same process on the other side. Season with salt, put in the lime juice, the ginger garlic paste, the green chili paste, the Berbere spices, and some ghee and massage it into the meat. This is a very important process. So take some time over it. Now the shoulder needs to sit in the fridge for 24 hours. I've taken the marinated shoulder out of the fridge around an hour before cooking it. I'll be using some vegetables for this recipe as well, namely onions, potatoes, carrots and bell peppers. I'll also be using some chicken stock mixed with 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Let's put the vegetables under the meat so that they act as a trivet on which the goat rests. This will ensure that the goat does not dry out. Arrange the potatoes around the meat like I'm doing here. The peppers go on top of the meat. Pour the chicken stock around the meat. Add a dash of oil on top along with some parsley or coriander. Seal the baking tray with foil very tightly. You can use 2 or 3 layers of foil. Then put it in a fan oven at 160 degrees centigrade for 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, it's time to check on the meat. Carefully remove the foil. The shoulder is almost done and there's plenty of juices. Spoon some of the juices over the goat shoulder like I'm doing here. Then put it back in the oven uncovered for half an hour. After half an hour, it's time to take out and you can see that our roasted goat shoulder looks absolutely gorgeous and cooked and is ready to be served. This Ethiopian Berbere goat shoulder is one of the tastiest and tenderest goat recipes that I've ever tasted. Marination and slow cooking makes it awesome. Let me show you just how easily the meat comes off the bone. It is best served with chapatis or naans. Give it a try and enjoy.